Okay, here's a South Bend lathe. What are we asking for this one again? Is it 25?
25, I believe.
Yeah. Okay. It's a really nice lathe, though.
Oh man.
You took really good care of this
I built
thing.
drive shafts on it. I built transmission pieces for the guys up at the sawmill. I put on a live tailpiece.
My tailpiece.
Quick change tool posts. I have all the sets for those.
Yeah.
Boring bars.
You don't want to keep this one, huh?
I don't know if I can get cash out of it at this point. I mean, I'd like to keep it.
Yeah, that's a nice South Bend lathe, that's for sure. Alright, you want to go ahead and turn it on? Alright. This is good, so then at least you know this is good to have. You don't have to run out here again and do all this. Sounds good.